Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Dodge Avenger oil light. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine, press and hold the trip reset button, watch the oil light blink then go out, release the button when the light resets, then cycle the ignition off and start the car to confirm the indicator is cleared. This is the only way to reset the light reliably. In this video, I will show how to reset Dodge Avenger oil light. Make sure the key is out, insert and turn to the on position without cranking, then press and hold the trip reset button on the cluster, observe the oil light blink and extinguish, release the button once it clears, power off and then start the engine to confirm the light stays off, and verify oil level and recent service were complete. In this video, I will show how to reset Dodge Avenger oil light. If the indicator fails to reset, check battery health and repeat the sequence, then inspect for fault codes or sensor faults with an OBD scanner, confirm oil level and filter seating, and consult a mechanic if the lamp returns after driving. Keep a clear service record and only reset after a proper oil change to avoid damaging your engine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.